Hey there, guys. It is Thursday, April 9th. I'm hoping this finds you safe and healthy and getting ready to enjoy your spring break. Third marking period is officially over. If you have any last minute assignments, we need those ASAP, like this morning, because we're putting grades in and they're due today. So you'll see on the screen it says to have a great spring break, and I really truly mean that. I need a spring break as well. Get some much needed rest, relaxation, fresh air, get out and enjoy the weather if it's nice. I have listed here all of the assignments for so far for the fourth marking period. So I kind of want you to just look over them. These were things that were assigned since March 31st, and they count towards your fourth marking period grade. So I really want you starting the fourth marking period on a positive note. So make sure that the following assignments are done before we resume classes on the 20th of April. So you'll see I have them by day, and in parentheses it says if it's on iQuest, if there's a classwork tab on Classroom, if there's a link on Classroom. So the dates that are listed here, the dates here are the dates that they're on Google Classroom. A lot of my activities have videos that you need to watch. Some of you are asking questions, and I can clearly realize that you are not watching the videos. The videos that I post have demo labs that will help you answer the questions. Okay, look under classwork or the classwork tab for assignments. None of you at this point should be doing the packets that were sent home. Those packets I will fill in here and there. Like if you look on here, the What Are Forces is one of the readings that was sent home. So you might need that packet for the reading, even though I take a picture of it and it's on Google Classroom. But there is a classwork, there's a tab, and underneath the tab on the Google Classroom, there is an assignment for you to complete on that packet. Do not answer the questions in the packet, okay? And I did say that in my videos, and some of you are sending me pictures of the packet completed. So do not do the packets. Keep them, hold on to them, because you will need the readings in the future. Most of my videos, if it is one of those readings, I read it to you, so that way, if you don't have it, can't find it, don't want to read it, I will read it to you. Okay, the other assignments are listed, iQuest, link on Classroom, and then the current event is what you're going to be working on today. If you didn't already do your next current event for the fourth marking period, that is due the Friday we return from spring break, you have today, April 9th, to work on it. Okay, I wish you the best. Enjoy. Be ready to come back. Be ready to work. Some of you took a little hiatus and then kind of had to scramble at the end and make up several assignments. So that's why I'm kind of putting this list out there in the hopes that you will come back, you will be, ready to go, 100% caught up, and start fresh on the 20th of April. Okay, have a great time. Stay home, stay close to home, stay safe, stay smart. Okay, I miss you guys. I know this is a different situation, and we're plugging our way through, so we will make this work. Okay, have a great break, and I'll see you in a couple weeks.